20 to 24 feet. Take your pick. Any choice is a good one and boasts world-class behind-the-boat performance, modern tech that feels second nature, and customization that makes it 100% yours. This is the XT family. The XT family is what world champs ride behind, but you don't need a trophy case to notice the difference. The XT family provides perfect waves for first-timers and podium finishers alike. Apart from wakes and waves, you're getting dialed-in comfort, intuitive tech, and proven reliability because it's a MasterCraft. But the XT family, these boats are shapeshifters. They perform, they adapt, and they perform some more. They have space to load the full crew, tuned perfectly to deliver for all of them, and customizable enough to say, this one's mine. It's the most versatile line in the MasterCraft fleet, and we're proud of that. Now let's get into it. Let's start at the back because the fun does too. Whether you're gearing up or winding down, the XT transom is the spot. Integrated transom seating, an optional flip-down swim step, cup holders for the bevies, storage trays for the other stuff. It's all built in, all built smart. Every inch made for comfort, style, and making the most of it. And a transom walkthrough comes standard on every model, so you can walk front to back without stepping on any upholstery. Like every 2026 MasterCraft, the XT behind-the-boat performance is powered by Surfstar, our industry-leading surf system that delivers clean, consistent, fully customizable waves. Rapid Surf presets keep it simple. Just pick a number and your boat handles the rest. Want full control? Go custom surf to dial it in. However you set it up, you should start getting ready. Fast fill ballast gets you riding in a matter of minutes. These boats throw long, clean, customizable waves with a crisp lip and a generous pocket. Simply put, you'll never want to ride behind anything else. Step inside and you'll feel it. This layout is just right. Space that makes sense, storage that does what it's supposed to do, seating that actually supports your body. Rear-facing pop-up seats, convertible flip seating, a boat built for people who want to be on the boat. Underneath it all, cooler spots and massive storage with hinged seating, so everything's conveniently within reach. And on those hotter days, no sweat. Our Cool Feel vinyl stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl because nobody signed up to sit on a sun-baked seat. And yes, even the dark colors stay cool. Soundtrack it all with MasterCraft Soundstage, powered by Meridian Audio. To create the ultimate on-water audio experience, we partnered with audio experts to master the complex acoustics of a towboat. The result? A directional immersive sound system that hits every seat perfectly, whether you're at the helm, in the cockpit, or behind the boat. It's not just loud, it's layered, tuned for the actual shape of the boat. And every 2026 MasterCraft gets it. Once you hear it, you'll never want to go back. As for towers, you've got choices, Z6 or Z8. This isn't one size fits all. It's MasterCraft, and our towers deliver the most customizable, bulletproof design on the market. Both outfitted with easy-to-use clamping board racks that come standard. Want power board racks? Done. Want a tower that matches your tailcoat? Too easy. Z8 now comes in 7 powder coat colors for 2026. Stealth, Magnetic Blue, and Pro Tour Red, with silver or black inlays that color match your board racks. The Z6, choose black, flint, or white. Add 4 speakers, add 10 boards, add whatever you want. It's yours. Best-in-class models deserve best-in-class helms. Because a happy captain makes for a better day on the water, and we thought of everything. 12-inch touchscreen, modern layout, and a sleek, clean look across the dash. We raised the header, dropped the clutter, and gave you max visibility. MasterCraft MyDride puts your go-to controls right where you need them. Hotkeys and a rotary dial mean quick, easy adjustments without taking your eyes off the water. And we can't leave out the stern thruster. It's available on XT models and is the most powerful and intuitive one you'll find on the market. Spins the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. One hand on the throttle, the other, doing whatever hands do. Maybe a fist bump to your co-captain, maybe a fistful of snacks. Your boat, your rules. And the XT helm seat, all-day comfort, dialed-in ergonomics, and a design that keeps things fresh. And yes, there's a wireless charger right where the captain needs it. Feels like a luxury car, drives like a MasterCraft. Let's talk bows, as we have some different looks here. Featuring both traditional and pickle fork bows, the XT family has options. The pickle fork bow, open, functional, and unmistakably MasterCraft. The traditional bow, classic, timeless, and still sports plenty of space. With either, you get playpen-style seating or an open walkway. Underseat storage, loads of it. Dedicated anchor storage, that too. Thanks to smart subfloor ballast placement, you get room up front and waves out back. So bring the crew, sit down, stay a while. In the engine box, every XT comes standard with a 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, and 15% more efficient than the previous Gen 6.0. This is the most powerful certified 5.3-liter engine in its class, and we have the numbers to prove it. All engines come with our fresh air intake, meaning more power, better efficiency, and cleaner performance, even when it's triple digits out. And we only roll with Ilmor. Built by race car engineers, backed by a 7-year, 1,000-hour warranty. Kind of a no-brainer. And with built-in telematics on board, your boat's health is always within reach. Your dealer can run diagnostics remotely, and you can control your boat straight from the MasterCraft Connect app, even your battery. It's like having a pit crew in the palm of your hand. And every 2026 MasterCraft now comes standard with keyless ignition, as it should. Last thing to wrap it all up, we're the only towboat brand with a trailer design engineer on staff, because details matter when your boat is on the road. It's the best fitting and most reliable trailer in the game, and it doesn't hurt that it looks good too. Match your XT with a completely customized trailer. Choose your colors, wheels, and graphics, and even add electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system. Go simple or go all out. That's it, the XT family. Endless waves and endless ways to make it yours. Doesn't matter which one you pick, you're stepping into the best of both performance and personalization. And winning, no matter what. Ready to experience it for yourself? Find your dealer, book a demo, and see what a real wave looks like. Head to mastercraft.com to get started.